Welcome to Printseekers. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to connect your Shopify store and start fulfilling orders with ease. To begin, head over to the Shopify App Store and install the Printseekers app. Once installed, it will appear right in your Shopify dashboard. This is your gateway to managing orders through our system. When a customer places an order in your store, it's automatically imported into the Printseekers system with all the customer and shipping details included. Before sending the order to production, just add the product information to complete the process. If there are products you don't want fulfilled by Printseekers, you can exclude them by adding their SKU codes in our system. This gives you complete control over what gets imported. For automated fulfillment, head to the Printseekers app, go to the Products tab, find the specific product, and click on it. From there, select the product from our catalog, choose the right size, upload your design, and save the changes. Once that's done, the product will be linked with Printseekers, meaning future orders will come through with all customer, shipping, and product information already in place. From there, simply send the order to production, and you're all set. Your Shopify store is now fully connected with Printseekers, making order fulfillment fast, simple, and effortless.